In the heart of the longest nights, when the world rushes and the mind refuses to quiet, the old ones had a secret older than any holiday chaos. They called it Ashwagandha Moon Milk, the elixir of the moon itself. For over 4,000 years, Ayurvedic healers have revered ashwagandha as the strength of the stallion, a root that grows low to the earth yet grants the weary the power to stand tall. They harvested it under silver light, dried it slowly, and ground it into powder that smells of soil and ancient calm. The wise women of Europe later met this root along spice routes and welcomed it into their grimoires, blending it with warm milk and winter spices to create a drink that tastes like the hush after snowfall. Tonight, we open the Grimoire Garden and pour this moonlit remedy for you. You'll need nothing rare. 1 heaped teaspoon of good ashwagandha root powder, organic, full spectrum, the color of desert sand. 1 cup of milk, dairy if you wish, or almond, oat, coconut, whatever cradles your bones best. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, the scent of hearth fires. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, freshly grated if you can. A generous pinch of cardamom and the tiniest speck of black pepper to carry the medicine deeper. 1 teaspoon of raw honey, or maple if the bees are sleeping. A drop of real vanilla if your heart desires. Warm the milk gently in a small pot over the lowest flame. Watch the steam begin its slow dance. When it is hot but not boiling, boiling breaks the spell. Whisk in the ashwagandha until the milk turns the color of late sunset. Add the cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, and that whisper of black pepper. Stir clockwise 9 times, as the old ones did, letting the spices bloom and the kitchen fill with fragrance that feels like a hug from someone long missed. Let it simmer softly for 5 full minutes, no more. Remove from heat and let it cool until you can comfortably sip. Only then stir in the honey, never while hot, or its living magic fades. Pour into your favorite mug. Hold it with both hands. Sit where the light is low. Breathe in the steam that smells of earth and spice and distant stars. Sip slowly. Feel the warmth travel from throat to chest to fingertips. Let the day's noise fall away like snow from a branch. This is the traditional use. 1 mug every night through the dark months, or whenever the world demands too much. Many who drink it nightly swear they wake lighter, steadier, kinder to themselves. This is traditional herbal wisdom passed down through centuries, shared for educational purposes only, never as medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider, especially if pregnant, nursing, or on medication. If this moon milk restores even a sliver of peace to your winter nights, leave a little crescent moon below. Tell me in the comments, which forgotten remedy should we brew next from the grimoire? Thank you for sharing this quiet, sacred cup with me.